Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the upcoming DJI Pocket 4, an exciting evolution in DJI's line of compact gimbal cameras. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 set the bar high with its 1-inch sensor, impressive stabilization, and vibrant flip-out touchscreen, making it the go-to choice for vloggers, filmmakers, solo content creators, and everyday tech lovers alike. Now, as rumors swirl around the DJI Pocket 4, it's clear that DJI is preparing to push boundaries even further. While the official launch hasn't happened yet, multiple trusted sources have leaked specs and upgrades that promise to deliver major performance enhancements across the board. From improved video recording and stabilization to smarter tracking and longer battery life, the Pocket 4 looks like it will become an essential tool for creators seeking portability without compromising on quality. Starting with the core hardware, the 1-inch CMOS sensor from the Pocket 3 appears to be returning no complaints there, as it's already a major step up from older models in low-light performance, background blur, and dynamic range. However, the Pocket 4 is rumored to bring a next-gen image processing chip, delivering advanced computational photography, better HDR support, faster image capture, and more precise noise reduction. The color science is also expected to take a leap forward, with 10-bit color recording enabled in D-Log-M and HDR modes. This offers a huge benefit for color grading, giving creators better control over their footage with smoother transitions, less banding, and more realistic skin tones. In contrast, the Pocket 3 is limited to 8-bit, which restricts the amount of color data each frame can contain. Moreover, we could be looking at 4K video recording at 120 FPS, allowing creators to shoot slow-motion cinematic footage without compromising resolution, a game-changer for storytellers and YouTubers alike. With higher video bitrates, likely exceeding the Pocket 3's 130 Mbps limit, we'll probably see much cleaner footage with richer details and less compression noise. Building on DJI's already impressive gimbal technology, the Pocket 4 may include significant upgrades to its stabilization system. While the Osmo Pocket 3 already delivers buttery smooth shots thanks to its 3-axis gimbal, it sometimes struggles with vertical movements caused by walking. The Pocket 4 is rumored to address this by introducing smarter Z-axis stabilization, possibly blending improved mechanical gimbal behavior with sophisticated EIS algorithms. That would make it ideal for handheld shooting in action-heavy scenarios, vlogs, or dynamic outdoor content. Autofocus could also see a major improvement, thanks to the likely addition of PDF and eye tracking capabilities, which would make tracking moving subjects, especially faces, far more reliable and faster. This is especially useful for solo creators who rely on their gear to focus and follow them without manual input. DJI's Active Track system might also evolve, with smarter AI recognition to track multiple people, animals, or fast-moving objects more intuitively. Audio could get an upgrade too, while the Pocket 3's triple mic setup does a decent job. The Pocket 4 might bring enhanced wind reduction, audio zoom, and even spatial audio recording, providing immersive sound for travel vlogs, interviews, or cinematic content. The touchscreen, already bright at 700 nits, might improve slightly in size, touch responsiveness, and outdoor visibility, possibly including a dedicated high-brightness mode for sunny environments. As for design, the Pocket 4 is expected to retain the compact vertical form factor of its predecessor, measuring close to 140 millimeters in height and under 200 grams in weight. However, DJI may finally respond to one of the most common user requests, a built-in 1 or 4-inch tripod screw mount, eliminating the need for extra accessories when attaching the device to tripods or grips. There's also speculation that basic weather sealing such as dust and splash resistance may be introduced, giving creators more peace of mind while filming in unpredictable environments. And don't forget about battery life. While the Pocket 3 can shoot for up to 166 minutes in certain conditions, a new processor could deliver better power efficiency or support a larger battery, leading to longer shooting sessions. Storage likely remains microSD based with support up to 1 TB, but expect improved file management and potential UHS 2 card compatibility for faster data transfer. Last but not least, DJI might release new magnetic lens accessories including ND, filters, macro lenses, and wide-angle converters, enabling creators to adapt quickly and creatively to changing conditions without bulky gear. So whether you're filming for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even cinematic short films, the DJI Pocket 4 looks like a beast of a tool, small in size but big on features. If these leaks hold true, it could easily become the best compact 4K vlogging camera of 2025. Be sure to stay tuned here at Techno Trend Zone for the official launch coverage, hands-on reviews, and feature breakdowns the moment DJI unveils the Pocket 4.